What's up, titos and titas? So today we have a little bit of a different kind of video for you guys. It's our second unboxing ever. So this is not the usual tech channel that you see or review channel that you see, but sometimes every now and then we're going to do a review for you guys wherein we try out products that we think might be relevant for fitness, since TitoFit is a fitness channel. So today we are going to unbox this thing right here. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Body Composition Scale. Alright, so basically it's a weighing scale with some different features. We're going to see if it's worth it. Have trusty pair of scissors. Every unboxing needs one. Just wait a second, how the hell do you open this? Oh, there. Always look for the tape. That's the first step. Okay, I might hurt myself doing this. No. Whew. Close call. Let's see. What's this? Looks like some documents in there. Maybe the warranties. Very nice minimalist design. Very simple. White with 4 metal nodes here. Now, what are these steel nodes? Normally, so this is classified as a bioimpedance analyzer, or a BIA, as the pros call it. It can measure how much fat you have. So, kung gaano ka kataba at kung gaano kadaming ube cheese pandesal lang nakain mo, itong ECQ at GCQ at dami mo na order na iba pang mga masarap na pagkain, supposed to be makikita niya kung ano yung effect sa'yo. Okay, ooh, that's pretty cool. So we have it here. That's the scale. So normally, for the more higher end bioimpedance scanners or analyzers, they do have these metal plates in them. So you are going to step with the ball of your feet here, and then ideally the heels here. So the way it works is normally it sends a very tiny electrical current, and then as that passes through your body, how fast it goes through your body and back, that's how it measures a lot of these different stuff. Now, I bought this for myself because during the ECQ, I haven't taken my weight or anything, and I'm not used to doing that. Normally, I monitor my weight at least every 2 weeks or so, just to see if I'm, if I'm still okay. I usually do it with an in-body or a Tanita body fat scanner, but gyms are closed. Normally those are offered in gyms, so have to make do with what we have. Now this is very cheap. I got this on Lazada for a little over 1,000 pesos, 1,400 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so here we have the manuals, user manual and warranty from Xiaomi. So as you know, Xiaomi is very affordable. Alright, first it says install batteries. Okay, do we have batteries? And my cat wants to take her weight. I want to take your weight. So as you can see, kailangan kasali siya sa action. So cameo appearance by Lola. So I have to download the Mi Fit app. All data will sync to that Mi Fit app automatically. There's a note here, so if you guys want to see this, it says ignore the first weighing reading as it may not be accurate. So it requires 4 AAA batteries, which are not included in the box, and I need to buy. So guys, kailangan ko munang bumili ng baterya bago ko siya mapagana. So chill lang kayo. Okay, wait lang. Sandali lang. Alright, titas and titas, nakabili na tayo ng baterya at ilalagay na natin siya. Kasama talaga yung pusa sa video. Put batteries 0, 0. Nice. So let's test it. Put it on a hard surface. Should be enough. That should be hard enough. Okay, Kitty. Let me check the Mi app first and sync it. scale. Lumala. Step on the scale. Place the scale on a flat surface. So it says 173.3 pounds. Okay, so it says there, place the scale on a dry surface. Make sure you stand on the center of the scale. Wear lightweight clothing. Place on a flat surface. And the moment of truth na hinihintay natin. Alright guys, so as you can see, here's what it says. I'm 172 pounds, okay? And then my body fat percentage is 22.6%, which is not even normal. It's actually increased. Now, this is a little bit questionable because, do I look fat, guys? Mukha ba mataba? If increased ako, paano na yung iba? Okay. And then, visceral fat 11 increased then. So, visceral fat is the fat underneath your skin, basically. So, that's not a good score. And if you guys remember, we did the measurement at Fitness First Platinum in Aura, SM Aura. And then it says here that my body age, body age is 37. Now, when I went there, I forgot the actual number, but I think the body age showed that I was like 28 years old, if I'm not mistaken. Almost 10 years younger than what it says here. Now, obviously, we don't know how accurate this is because sa ngayon, sarado pa yung mga gyms. But once the gyms open and those machines are available and accessible again, the InBody and the, I forgot what that was in Fitness First Platinum Aura, but it was also a good machine. Now, those machines cost somewhere in the 100,000+ peso range. I remember the InBody we purchased long ago, more than 10 years ago, cost about 250,000 pesos at the time. Obviously, if you compare a 250,000 peso machine to a 1,500 peso machine, you're gonna get a little bit of disparity in the quality. But we'll see how big that difference really is once the gyms open, and we'll update you with another video. Alright guys, so I hope you liked that review, and thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up also if you liked it. Thank you.